Okay, imagine if Elon Musk made his own version of ChatGPT. Well, he actually did, and it's called Grok, the AI that doesn't just talk to you, it understands you. Built by his company xAI, Grok is sarcastic, funny, brutally honest, and plugged directly into X, formerly known as Twitter. I've been using Grok 4 for a while now, and trust me, this one's something else. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Grok works, what makes it unique, and how you can get it for a fraction of the regular price. So, Grok is an AI chatbot developed by xAI, Elon Musk's new company, and it's directly connected to X, which means it doesn't rely on outdated data. It pulls real-time information from the internet, giving you live updates, trending topics, and even the latest memes. But what really makes Grok stand out is its personality. Elon Musk said he wanted to build an AI that's not afraid to be funny, bold, and even a little rebellious. And Grok absolutely delivers on that. It's like chatting with a super intelligent friend who's also been online way too long. Now, Grok 4, the latest version, takes everything up a notch. You get larger context window, meaning it remembers and understands longer conversations. Perfect for anyone who uses AI for work, content creation, or deep research. It also comes with tools that seriously upgrade what an AI can do. Deep Search helps you dig into complex topics across multiple sources. Think Mode makes the AI reason step by step before answering, improving accuracy. DALL-E 3 integration generates stunning images directly inside the chat. And even Canva and Data Analyst access, letting you create designs or analyze spreadsheets instantly. This isn't just a chatbot, it's an AI workspace. And because it's backed by Elon Musk, you know it's designed to keep pushing the boundaries. So what can you actually do with Grok? If you're a creator, you can brainstorm content ideas, write scripts, or generate thumbnails. If you're a student, you can use Think Mode to break down complex topics or summarize long papers. And if you're running a business, Grok can write ads, draft emails, or analyze data. And it all feels surprisingly human. Because it's linked with X, it also helps you track what's trending right now. That means you can stay ahead of the curve, whether you're posting content, studying, or building something new. Here's the best part. You don't need to pay the full price. Right now, you can get access to the SuperGrok plan for only €10.99 per month, and that includes everything. Deep Search, Think Mode, DALL-E 3, and more. So, if you've been wanting to test Grok without the premium cost, check the direct link below. That's the same way I got mine. Grok isn't just another AI tool, it's Elon Musk's version of what the future of artificial intelligence should be: fast, connected, and unfiltered. If you're more into ChatGPT, I've made a full video explaining how you can get that for less too. You'll find the link below in the description or pinned comment. Drop a like if you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI breakdowns, and check the link below to try Grok 4 for yourself. See you in the next one.